Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, La Princesse des Beaux-Arts. In today's video, I'll be showing you my afternoon tea time with a sweet friend in the middle of Paris at Nina's Vendôme. It's a specialty salon de thé or tea room that has been serving Marie Antoinette's favorite tea and cake with a recipe handed down through generations. I'm an art student in Paris at the École des Beaux-Arts de Paris, so please like and subscribe for more arts, culture, Parisian lifestyle, and drawing content. Thank you! So here was the menu with a bit of a history presentation as well as all of the teas available. There were so many different kinds that all look really good, and they actually serve one type of cake here, the Marie Antoinette cake with the rose icing and dried fruits inside. So I got that. This room is really adorable, and I believe that the business is run by a Japanese company, and they get a lot of tourists as well as Asian clients, and I'm not really surprised because everything here is just so cute. They have many products on display as well, from tea sets to pouches, bags, in addition to, of course, the counter full of goodies. And this place was just so cute, rococo, beautiful, and they displayed a lot of Marie Antoinette's personal effects, like even this slipper that she used to wear. So you might be surprised, but drop by and look at these. There's also a letter penned by Marie Antoinette with her signature. This room was really gorgeous with the flowers and chandelier, and I really felt like you were being transported into a shoujo isekai manga sort of world. It was just such a beautiful and unique place. On the shop counter, there were many products on display that you can find. They are also sold at different points around Paris, or maybe even the world, or online on their website. So there's tea, soaps, etc., even candles. And here is the table with our afternoon tea. And it looked so pretty. And there's us, me and my friend, enjoying this nice moment. Voila! So you can see some of the products include candied almonds, individual tea sachets, bookmarks, candles, soaps. Here was the iced hibiscus and rosehip tea that was the special of the day. You can just look at how beautiful this color is, and it was so fragrant as well. This would be a lovely accompaniment for the cake, which had a very unique rose icing and pieces of apple. So it was a very lovely tea that I liked very much, and it paired super well with this cake. Inside there were pieces of dried fruit, especially apple, which paired really well with the rose, and it was all so yummy. I could just eat the icing by itself, to be honest. I know it's bad, but I really have the taste of a child, but maybe an elegant one. Everything in this tea room was just perfectly conceived, from the furniture to the ornaments, dishes, forks, knives, everything really, including the Marie Antoinette paraphernalia, like this marble bust and this beautiful chandelier. As the evening drew on, I got to spend a lovely time with my friend Laure, and the attendant, this Japanese lady, was also very kind and lovely. I thought it was a very transformative little space. It was almost as if you were going into a different dimension, so I really recommend it. As you can see, it's a very old business or house, and they're one of the unique enterprises serving products sourced from the royal gardens of Versailles. And even the sign is so cute and adorable. To wrap up this video, I'm doing a little giveaway for my subscribers of this Louvre postcard featuring Cupid and Psyche and a sachet of Marie Antoinette's original tea from Nina's. Just leave a comment down below on where you like me to go in my next Paris sketching session video. You can find me on Instagram, La Princesse des Beaux-Arts, where I post my artwork and photos. And as usual, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Take care. Au revoir.